Today I share with you all how I prepared this colorful drink. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have some carrots, I already peeled the back and then wash it. I have ginger as well, I peel the back and then I wash it as well. I'll go ahead and set the carrots and the ginger aside. I'll go ahead and grate the carrots for easy blending. Once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and set it aside. And transfer the shredded carrots into the blender, and then I'll go ahead and add water to it. The carrots and the water should be at the same level, alright? And then I'll go ahead and blend it. If you have a juicer, just use juicer to juice out your carrot juice. But because I didn't have a juicer, this is how I normally make my carrot juice, alright? Once I'm done with the blending, I'll go ahead and strain out the juice. At this point, I already get out all the juice from the shaft. I'll go ahead and throw the shaft, and then I'll add half can of condensed milk. Yes, you heard me right, condensed milk. Add that milk into that carrot, alright? You need it there. Trust me, this drink is absolutely delicious. Once I add the milk, I make sure I stir everything very well. You guys know that condensed milk is thick. If you didn't stir it very well, the milk will just sit in the bottom of the bowl, and we don't want that, alright? Stir it very well. To balance up the sweetness from the carrot and the condensed milk, I added ginger juice, alright? Once I add the ginger juice, I just stir everything together. Do not skip that part, alright? So you can enjoy your drink. Once you stir everything very well, transfer it into your jar. You can keep it in the fridge to cool a little bit and then enjoy it. Or you can just enjoy it like that. Trust me, guys, this drink is so refreshing. When they say blood tonic in Nigeria, this is blood tonic. I hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.